Hello everyone. In the last video, as we have started the solving of board question papers that we have started with Karnataka SSLC board 2023 April mains exam question paper, we have already solved from the mathematics subject 1 to 9 questions. Today we are going to solve the next questions. So without wasting the time, let us start solving the question. Okay. Uh, here, this is the next question. As you all know, we have solved question number 9 in the last session. So let us start with the 10th question now. 10th question is like this. If the pair of lines represented by the linear equations, so two equations are given here. The equations are x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Another equation is ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0. These are the two equations. It is given that the two lines are coincident lines. What is the meaning of coincident lines? If one line overlaps on the another line, then we call it the lines are coincident. Okay, that means both AB and CD are overlapping on each other. So this is what we call coincident lines. So here, what is the situation? The situation is like this: when the lines are coincident, okay, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. That's equal to C1 by C. This is the property of coincident lines. So here in the given equations, now see what is A1? A1 equal to 1 because nothing is there means 1. What is B1? B1 equal to 2 and C1 equal to minus 4. And in this equation, A1 is equal to A, B1 is equal to B, and C1 is equal to minus 12. Okay, so observe this. C1 is equal to minus 12. So now, by using this property, let us write what we can write A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B. So A1 means what here? We have written here. Here this should be A2 is equal to A, B2 is equal to B, and C2 is equal to minus 2. So A1 by A2 means 1 by A is equal to 2 by B. That's equal to minus 4 by. When you simplify, minus minus will become plus. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So the answer is. Now what we can do, we will compare 1 by A with 1 by 3. Easily we get A is equal to 3. The value. Now you compare 2 by B with 1 by 3. What you are getting? 2 by B is equal to 1 by 3. Do the cross multiplication. 2 into 3 is equal to B into 1. Finally, we get B is equal to 2 3s are 6. So we got the answers that A is equal to 3 and B is equal to. Remember, this question carries 1 mark. So we should be very fast for solving. Okay, so let us move to the next question. So before moving to the next question, I would like to rub all this part. I need space. All part. Okay, kindly solve. So let us go for solving the next question now. Now, this is clear. Now let's see the question number 11. The question number 11 is like this. In this they have given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Try to understand. Here we have triangle ABC. It is similar to triangle PQR. Similar means it is not necessary that it should be of the equal size. It is just looking same. We can say PQ. Now they have given that the area of triangle ABC is 64 square centimeter, whereas the area of triangle PQR is 100 square centimeter. Also, it is given that AB is 8 centimeter. Now they are asking you to find. So what our theorem tells us, in similar triangles, the ratio of area of similar triangles is equal to ratio of the square of the corresponding side. Okay, I just repeat. Ratio of area of similar triangle means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. This is the ratio of two area of two similar triangles. This should be equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding side. Means we should go for AB square by PQ square, because AB and PQ are the corresponding sides. So according to this, if you simplify, 64 by 100 will be equal to 8 square by PQ. So here 8 square is nothing but 64 by 2 square. So 64, 64 get cancelled. So what is remaining then? 1. So if you compare the denominators now, finally what we are getting, 100 is equal to 2, means square root of 100 is equal to PQ. Therefore, PQ is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the answer for. Okay. Now let us move to question number. Okay. The question number 12 is very simple. Express the equation. So they have given one equation here. First observe the equation. X into the bracket 2 plus x is equal in the form of quadratic equation. So how is the standard form of quadratic equation? First let us write it. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is called equal to 0. This is called the standard form of quadratic equation. To simplify this equation, what you are getting, x into 2, 2x, x into x, x square is equal to 3. Now we should write this one in looking like this. So what changes we can do here? Yes, first we will write x square plus 2x, and we will take that 3 to this side, become minus 3 equal to 0. This is what the standard of quadratic. Okay. Okay, let us move to the question number 13 now. What is question number 13? Just see here. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Here they have given one quadratic equation, 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is 0. So the values are given here. You can check. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 3. Then what is discriminant? Discriminant means b square minus 4. This is called discriminant. Okay, then b square means minus 4 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. This will become square of a negative number is also positive, so it will become 16 minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is the 20. Then the discriminant will become minus. This will be the answer for the 13th question. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Let us move to the next question. So when you are moving to the next question, we should go for finding the midpoint of the line segment. See, what is 14th question? First understand all of it. 14th question is they have given 2 points. 2 points are 6, 3 and 4, 7. Now they are asking the midpoint of this line. So you know how to find the midpoint x, y. If you take this as a1, b1 and this as a2, b2. Then the midpoint formula is xy is equal to a1 plus a2 by 2. Y is nothing but b1 plus b2 by 2. So according to this, this will become 6 plus 4 by 2 and 3 plus 7. I hope you have understood. So it will become 10 by 2 and 10 by 2. But 5 and 5 is the midpoint of the given This is what we can. Let us move to the 15th question. 15th question is write the degree of polynomial. So sometimes the questions are so easy, you can just identify. Here the highest exponent of x is nothing but degree. X to the power 4 is there, so highest exponent is 4. So 4 itself is the degree of the given polynomial. Okay. Now let us move to the 16th question. Again here, yeah, it is a direct question, no need to solve. If you have the list of formula, if you have practiced the whole year the properly, so what is the volume of the first term of a formula? You know that it is nothing but 1 by 3 h 8 r1 square plus r2 square x. This is 2. Okay. Let's rub it. This should be this r1 square. So r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. This is the formula of volume of a frost. So in such a way, see, I many times I tell you, make the formulae perfect. From each lesson, make a list of important formulae and then you make them perfect. It will help in. So let us move to question number 17. So up to here, we were solving only 1 mark question. But now onwards, part 2 question, part 3 question is having how many marks? It is having 2. Let us start solving with the first question. So let us start with the 17th question here. You observe the 17th question. What is that? Prove that 5 plus root 3 is a irrational number. Okay? So it is an irrational number we need to prove. We know that root 3 is irrational. Yes, 100% we know because it is the square root of a prime number. Square root of a prime number is always irrational. But now they are asking prove that 5 plus root 3 is also irrational. So to prove that, we have to assume opposite. What we have to assume here? Tell you. To prove that, first of all, I will go for it. Please observe here. What I will do here now, I will take this once. First of all, I will take 5 plus root 3 is equal to rational. I will assume. So assume that 5 plus root 3 is a rational. Then what we will get, if 5 plus root 3 is a rational, then 5 plus root 3 can be written as a by b, because all rational numbers can be written in the form of a by b. Yes, then automatically what happens? Then it will become 5 minus of a by b is equal to minus. This I will get. Okay, but if you see the LHS part, what it is, 5 minus a by b means if you simplify this, what you will get? 5b minus a divided by b. This is equal to minus. But this side, what we know here, a and b are integers. So this full part is rational. According to my assumption, left side is rational. But according to my assumption, this also becomes, because when left side is rational, which is equal to the right side, now the right part is also rational. But this is wrong, we know, because square root of a prime number cannot be rational. It is a, that means now what happened now? My assumption is wrong. So we should write here. Therefore, my assumption is wrong. What was my assumption? I assumed that 5 plus root 3 is a rational number. When my assumption is wrong, I proved. So I can say that therefore 5 minus root 3 is a irrational number. This is how you need to prove it. I hope you have understood. The simple method. This the same numbers will come in questions. You can easily get earn 2 marks by solving such questions. Okay. So let us move to the next question. Before moving to the next question, I would like to rub all these things. Then I will move to the next question. I hope everyone is observing. Please observe the methods. If you have any queries, please comment to the comment section, and definitely I will try to solve all your doubts. Okay. Now let us try to solve. There is another part, or in 17 question only, or is there. It is also related to the same lesson. Okay. So they are asking find the HCF of 72 and 120 by Euclid's division algorithm. We know the finding of HCF in a normal, but here how to write it. Yes, we know the proper method. Yeah? So what we have to do, first divide the bigger number from the small. Yes, what you will get, 72 ones are 82. Subtract it, what you are getting, 12 2 minus 2 0. Here it is, we are 72. So totally from, yes, 120 we should subtract 8. Okay. Now what we should do here, as you know, first of all we should divide the bigger number 120 the smaller. So now let us subtract 10 minus 2 8. 12 minus 8 will be, how much we got, 40. Okay, so the remainder is 40. Then how can we write 120? Therefore we can write 120 is equal to 22 into 1 plus, okay, so we know that standard form is to bq plus. Now see here, now which is the, yeah, this number 72 should be divided by 48 ones are, subtract it, 12 minus 8 4, 7 minus 5 24. Okay, so now uh, how can you write 48 is equal to, sorry, 8 72 is equal to 48 into 1 plus 4. Okay, now again from this reminder we should divide 48. Yes, when you divide 48 from 24, what you are getting, 24 twos are, here is the 0. So here finally I am getting the 0 as reminder. Now 48 can be written as 24 into 2 plus 0. Very important. Yes. Then finally when we divide it from 24, we are getting the remainder 0. That means this 24 number can divide both numbers 72 and 120 by giving 0 as the remainder. So the HCF of the given two numbers is, so this method is called Euclid's division algorithm. I hope you have understood the method of solving. And with this question, today we will stop our class, and tomorrow with the solution of the next question we will. Thank you.